What's up, guys? I'm going to just show real quick how to pull the embedded link. The correct URL to paste into ManyChat when creating a growth tool for an ad. So there's a couple of different ways. I'm sure there's several different ways. For my story ad, which is just a picture with a long story, I'm actually able to pull the embedded link really easily. I click the three dots, and sometimes there's a little drop down arrow that I have to click that says see more, and I'll click embedded. Once that pops up, I'll click advanced settings, and hopefully you guys can still see my screen. Right up here is the URL that you paste into ManyChat. Now, there is sometimes when you have a video, the embedded link doesn't show up as an option. So if I'm in this scenario where I'm looking at my notifications, or for whatever reason that basically embedded is not a choice in here, I just click on either the date or time option right here. It'll usually say like a date, and if you hover over it, it underlines. You could click on it. I click on it, and that takes me to basically. Let's go ahead and stop that. We don't need to hear that. It takes me to the main post, and then that should have the option to click on embedded, which again, I would click advanced settings and find the URL at the top for ManyChat. Hopefully that's helpful. Let me guys know if you have any questions.